Comfy era na, and you still don't know which pair to choose? Tara, samahan niyo ako. Ito, for sure may gugustuhan niyo to. Meron to sa Collector Finds. Let me introduce to you our best-selling OL Cloud Tilt. So bakit nga ba bestseller to? Tara, pag-usapan natin. First is yung comfort. Thanks to OL Cloud Tech Face, every step feels super soft, parang literally walking on clouds. Pangalawa, style. Clean, sleek, versatile. Pwede pang everyday, pang office, or kahit pang OOTD. Third is hype. Thanks to big fashion collabs like Loewe, Cloud Tilt is more than just sneakers. Nagiging fashion statement na din siya. So lahat ng na-mention ko, meron yan sa website namin, collectorfinds.ph. Then if wala yung size nyo, message nyo lang kami sa socials namin. So ano pang inaantay nyo? Check out nyo na yan, Collector Finds.